Do you believe that your child's academic performance is the only benchmark of success? Do you also believe that art, storytelling, drama, music, visual art or dance are a waste of time and take away from academic performance? You couldn't be more wrong. Today, let's talk about the Waldorf system of learning proposed by Rudolf Steiner. The Waldorf system of learning focuses on a threefold learning process where the heart, hands, and head meet together to learn and explore new things. This system of learning is mainly based on integration of arts into academics, inspiring lifelong love for learning in students, inculcating the ability to think and assimilate facts as opposed to memorizing, and no competitive testing or rewards. So how do we integrate the Waldorf system of learning into our homes? 3 ways. Number 1, encourage deeper understanding and provide exposure to a lot of different art forms. Number 2, avoid constant comparisons with friends or classmates. And number 3, allow for exploration at their own pace.